Come with everything you need. 600W, surge 1200W, pure sine wave inverter plus 2 cables with cable lug terminals plus manual. Everything you need to complete the installation is included. High-quality pure sine wave inverter. Convert DC power from 24 volts battery to AC power for AC electronic appliances. Rated power. 600W, surge power, 1200W, a good source of backup power supply for off-grid system or emergency like power failure. Reliable performance. The 600W power inverter is equipped with extra thick, 2.0 mm PCB which greatly enhances the load capacity. Run your appliance safe and sound. High-frequency transformer of the inverter transfers DC to AC and ensures the stable and full AC output. Perfect sine wave perfects the performance. Big branded MOSFETs and true copper inductance work together to make perfect pure sine wave AC output and optimize machine performance as much as possible. Monitor power usage with no effort. LED display for both DC volt and AC volt which makes the power usage clear for users. Silent cooling system. Intelligent silent fan cools the inverter down automatically without any annoying noise. High voltage input cutoff protection, low voltage alarm protection, overload protection, overcurrent protection, surge power protection, reverse connection protection and short circuit protection by fuse. 2-year. Our customer service is always here to help. Top reviews from the United States. Great inverter for the price. Our cabin in northern Michigan is off-grid. I've got 20+ years experience with battery banks, solar, generators and inverters. My first inverter all those years ago has always been my favorite. Until now. This time, I wanted a pure sine inverter that wouldn't be overly expensive. This one fits the bill nicely. I need 600 watts or less in an inverter. My testing procedure when I got the inverter showed a couple of things. First, the power draw overhead on this 600-watt inverter is lower than I expected. With it installed at the cabin, I am seeing a 10% less drain on the battery bank. Overall, I am satisfied with this inverter. The voltage gauge is accurate as is the output voltmeter. I'd prefer an LCD display however.